Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add your email in Bigo Live. Adding your email helps you secure your Bigo Live account, recover it if you ever lose access, and receive official updates from Bigo. So let's get started. First of all, launch open Bigo Live application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged into the homepage of Bigo Live, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Me button. From the Me menu that pops up on the screen, tap on the Gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the Settings menu. From Settings, tap on Account Management. Now, go to the Email option and tap on it and add your email address in the text box. After typing down an email, tap on Next. A verification email will be sent to you in the provided email inbox. Go check it out. You'll receive an email from Bigo Live that says verify your email. Tap on it and click on verify email address inside the inbox. Right after you do that, you will be able to add your email address in your Bigo Live account. Your email is now linked to Bigo Live account for recovery and security purposes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.